Have you been waiting for peace and tranquility? Well, we've got you covered. 30 minutes west of Orlando, located in Groveland, Florida, over 5 acres, 5 full bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms. Come check it out. Let's go. Check out this amazing kitchen. It is meant for entertaining. Between the 6 top burner gas stove, the double ovens, the oversized butler pantry, all of the abundant light just flowing in, you're not gonna wanna miss it, but let's go check out the rest of the home and then I'll meet you out back. Check out this amazing view. You're not gonna find anything like this in Central Florida. Now, you've got a perfect pool, tons of entertainment space, an outdoor kitchen, a fire pit, chicken house, so much more. The possibilities are endless. Make sure you reach out to us quickly so we can show you this home before it goes pending. Till next time, bye.